Shalom, and welcome to the fourth lesson of my Hebrew course, where we dive into essential Hebrew vocabulary and practice using it in real-life sentences. Before we jump into new words, let's do a quick recap of some of what we've covered in previous lessons. The word for I or me is ani. You, when referring to a female, is at. You, when referring to a male, is ata. She or her is he. And he or him is hu. To come is lavo. To eat is לאכול. To speak is לדבר. To drink is לשתות. To walk or to go is ללכת. The word for when is מתי. The word for what is מה. The word for now is עכשיו. With me is איתי. With you, when referring to a male, is איתך. With you, when referring to a female, is איתך. With him is איתו. And with her is איתה. The word for want, when referring to a singular male, is רוצה. The word for want, when referring to a singular female, is רוצה. Our first new word is כן. When referring to a singular male, we would say יכול. יכול. So we would use יכול to say I can when I is a male, to say you can when referring to a singular male, and to say he can. The word for can when referring to a singular female is יכולה. יכולה. So we would use יכולה to say I can when I is a female, to say you can when referring to a singular female, and to say she can. Let's see some examples. To say when can I come? As a male, say מתי אני יכול לבוא? מתי, when, I, יכול, can, singular male, לבוא, to come. To ask, when can I go? As a female, say, מתי אני יכולה ללכת? מתי, when, I, יכולה, can, singular female, ללכת, to go. To say, I can come now, as a male, say, אני יכול לבוא עכשיו. I, יכול, can, singular male, לבוא, to come, עכשיו, now. Now, let's learn a few more words. Today is היום. היום. Later is מאוחר יותר. מאוחר יותר. The word מאוחר means late, יותר means more, and together it's more late, later. To do is לעשות. לעשות. To try is לנסות. לנסות. To answer is לענות. לענות. To decide is להחליט. להחליט. To say, I can come later, as a female, say, אני יכולה לבוא מאוחר יותר. אני, I, יכולה, כן, singular female, לבוא, to come, מאוחר יותר, later. To ask, what can I do? As a male, say, מה אני יכול לעשות? מה, what, אני, I, יכול, can, singular male, לעשות, to do. And to say that sentence as a female, just replace יכול with יכולה. To say, he can come today, say, הוא יכול לבוא היום. הוא, he, יכול, can, singular male, לבוא, to come, היום, today. To say, you can come later. When speaking to a female, say, את יכולה לבוא מאוחר יותר. את, you, singular female, יכולה, can, singular female, לבוא, to come, מאוחר יותר, later. To say, she can try, say, היא יכולה לנסות. היא, she, יכולה, can, singular female, לנסות, to try. Next, we have the word לא. לא, which means no or not, and it can be used to form negative sentences. We can place it before verbs to indicate negation. For example, to say I can't, אני לא יכול, as a male, the word לא turns the sentence into a negative one, meaning I cannot or I am not able to. Without לא, the sentence will mean אני יכול, which means I can. Adding לא before the verb changes its meaning from positive to negative. This structure works similarly for all verbs in Hebrew. To say, he can't decide. Say, הוא לא יכול להחליט. הוא, he, לא, not, יכול, can, singular male, להחליט, to decide. To say, she doesn't want to speak now, say, היא לא רוצה לדבר עכשיו. היא, she, לא, not, רוצה, want, singular female, לדבר, to speak, עכשיו, now. To say, I can't come right now, as a male, say, אני לא יכול לבוא עכשיו. אני I, לא, not, יכול, כן, singular male, לבוא, to come, עכשיו, now. Now, let's do some exercises. How would you say, I can come with you, as a male speaking to a male? אני יכול לבוא איתך. אני, I, יכול, כן, singular male, לבוא, to come, איתך, with you, singular male. How would you ask, when can you come, when speaking to a male? מתי אתה יכול לבוא? מתי, when, אתה, you, singular male, יכול, כן, לבוא, to come. How would you say, I can try to answer, as a male? אני יכול לנסות לענות. אני, I, יכול, כן, singular male, לנסות, to try, לענות, to answer. How would you say, you can come later, when speaking to a female? את יכולה לבוא מאוחר יותר. את, you, singular female, יכולה, כן, singular female, לבוא, to come, מאוחר יותר. Later. How would you say, I don't like to drink coffee, as a male? אני לא אוהב לשתות קפה. אני, I, לא, not, אוהב, love, singular male, לשתות, to drink, קפה, coffee. How would you say, she doesn't want to speak now? היא לא רוצה לדבר עכשיו. היא, she, לא, not, רוצה, want, singular female, לדבר, to speak, עכשיו, now. How would you say, you can come with me, when speaking to a male? אתה יכול לבוא איתי. אתה, you, singular male, יכול, כן, singular male, לבוא, to come, איתי, with me. How would you say, he doesn't like to drink water? הוא לא אוהב לשתות מים. הוא, he, לא, not, אוהב, love, singular male, לשתות, to drink, מים, water. Try to think of a few more sentences with the vocabulary that you've already learned and write them in the comments below. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.